Now, Sara Duterte has made a very bad decision. Maging tandem si BBM. So what is so different about Sara's wisdom today na sa tingin mo na yung decision making niya in the future, halimbawa yung ginagawa niya right now, which is to challenge the government, which I encourage, by the way, encourage a better government requires a strong opposition. Ano yung nakikita mo kay Sara right now to say na okay, nakikita ko pa rin na kahit mali yung ginawa niya before, may ginagawa siyang tama right now, and hopefully she becomes a leader and she will make the Philippines a better place?
Very good question. This is a very, very good question. What I see in Inday Sara that made me believe and put my trust on her, even now after making a huge mistake of supporting Bongbong Marcos, is because Sara can correct herself. Sara can admit that she is wrong. Can you tell me any politician who can do the same? Can you tell me any politician who would profusely apologize for the mistake that she had done? Of having of entertaining this Marcos family to be to share the political capital that the Duterte has to people like the Marcoses. So ngayon, that's a good question. Ano yung kasiguraduhan niya? Because Sara, when things goes wrong, hindi naman talagang bibitaw siya, talagang hindi niya hahayaan yan, lalo na kung kunwari talagang maling-mali na, she's going to act and she's going to correct herself. And I don't think any politician can do that. The politicians that we see right now, nung panahon ni PRRD, lahat yan agree kay PRRD. Nung panahon ni Marcos, lahat agree na sila kay Bongbong Marcos eh. 'Di ba? It's easy to do convenient things, but Inday Sara is not like that. And just like the father, when they make mistakes, inaamin nila. And sa akin, that's good enough. Have you seen any politician na kayang gumawa ng ganyan? Kayang mag-admit ng mistake? This is we're not looking for a perfect person. We are looking for a person who can recognize mistake and address it. That is a mark of a true leader.